everyone, I'm Geoffrey Zakarian. As you can see, I am in my home kitchen along with my lovely daughter, Madeline, and I am so excited you're joining us. So we are gonna make a really amazing olive oil granola bar from Madeline's cookbook with her sister called The Family That Cooks Together. Now, granola bars are yummy, but when made with the right ingredients, they have a lot of healthy protein and they'll keep you full and they're easy to transport. So, we've laid out and measured all the ingredients. This is very important mise en place, right?
Mise en place.
We can go like this. We don't have to move. We can just have fun, which is what we're gonna have. So, before we begin, you have some homework. You should preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You wanna get a baking dish and line it with cooking spray.
Very important, because it'll stick.
Yes,
and you
with
won't be able to
parchment
get it
and
out.
grease, really important, okay? And that's it, and we're gonna get cooking, right?
Yeah.
This is very simple. So, first you're gonna take a portion of the rolled oats and put it into the
Food processor.
It's gotta look like a powder, right?
Yeah.
How's that look?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay.
So what you're gonna do with this is I have a large bowl here. I'm just gonna hold the thing so it doesn't come out. I'm gonna put that in there. Do you wanna take that?
Yep.
And then in a large bowl,
We're gonna add
the dried cranberries,
It's like a dump and stir, which is why it's so
salt.
fun. Cinnamon,
the brown sugar,
pumpkin seeds,
there's your sunflower seeds,
flour, some almonds, and some more rolled oats that we reserved from the original recipe, right?
So you have the other rolled oats are like the finely ground ones, and then you're just gonna add the actual rolled oats.
So why don't we start mixing these ingredients?
Yep.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna just put these together. These are the wet ingredients. So organic peanut butter.
Yeah, and you're gonna make sure that you ground up your brown sugar, because sometimes it sticks in like a little ball, and you don't want that because you want to make sure it's even.
Very important. So I added my maple syrup, and now I'm gonna put in my olive oil and whisk it up until it's nice and smooth. How you doing over there? You ready to combine?
Yeah. I'm just gonna fold it because we're doing wet into dry.
Okay.
It looks so good.
I mean, it's like a lot of this is great because I'm sure that most people have quite a few of these ingredients in the pantry, right? We all know about oatmeal and probably raisins and dried fruit of some kind. Again, you can substitute the dried fruit. And we're just gonna put this in our lined baking pan with parchment that we've greased.
Can
right?
I pat it?
Want to pat it for me?
And then you wanna make sure it is all the way spread out so you can get an even granola bar. It's not all.
Okay, we're gonna put the granola bars in the oven for 30 minutes, 350 degrees. When they come out, we're gonna let them cool. So, hit pause and meet me back here. We're gonna slice and taste together. All right, we have our granola bars out of the oven. Make sure they get chilled before you cut it, otherwise this cut will be a sloppy cut. Now, we're gonna make a first incision here. You can cut these as small, as big as you want. I like to have them so they look like actual bars, right? I mean, it's called a granola bar.
You need to have them chilled.
Yep. And then we're just gonna put them on the plate.
You put it?
Like that. Put this one there. Look how good they look. Oh.
So good.
Let's get another one here. Give me some room. Yeah. Oh.
Yum.
It's that time, Madeline.
See?
You can take a taste.
Finally.
Tell me what you think.
Ready?
Of your recipe.
Do you want to share one with me?
Oh, I have some right here.
Yeah, some.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. It's really good.
You know what? The olive oil.
Mm-hmm.
So unusual, but like so perfect.
Also the peanut butter. Yum. It was good.
Everything works. A lot of flavor. One of the best granola bars I've ever had.